Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to select multiple pages in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and we take some pages in this document. Now we want to select multiple pages in this Publisher document. Firstly, click and select a page. Now I select the second page, then press Ctrl on our keyboard to select the multiple page and then click another page, and we can see we select multiple page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.